This is Seid coming from the United States Fertilizer Desk here at Freight Investor Services. Just wanted to give a quick rundown of the week's trade in the NOAA fertilizer markets. Starting off with urea, we saw March up about $10 this week to around $3.84. April values were up about $1 to the $3.79, $3.80 area. We had a really quiet start to the week. Not a lot of trade going on until Wednesday. We actually saw March barges trade at $400. Barges really haven't touched 400 since about 2014, so that was a big deal for the market this week. Second half or later part of the week, we saw things slow down again, but we're still supported by tight supplies in the interior, and waiting to see kind of how the spring pans out there. On the UAN side of things, we saw March down about $3 to around $2.47. April was down $6 or so at around $2.92. Kind of the current debate in the UAN space right now is if nitrogen is too expensive in the UAN form. That would be, of course, bearish, or there are other market participants pointing at tight, really tight supplies and a lack of barge lineup to keep the UAN prices supported. So we saw a quiet week, but not a lot of movement in actual value. On the DAP side of things, we saw March up about $5 this week to $5.38, high 530s. April values were up about $16 to $5.39, almost $5.40. The big news this week came on Thursday. The United States International Trade Commission ruled in favor of Mosaic and against Morocco and Russia. They're going to go ahead with the duties on Moroccan and Russian imports, and that should, in theory, keep the phosphate prices elevated here in the U.S., hence the big jump in values on Thursday. That's all I've got this week for the NOAA fertilizer markets. If you have any questions on how fertilizer derivatives can complement your risk management strategy, please let us know by emailing ferts@freightinvestor.com or visiting our company's homepage at freightinvestorservices.com. Thanks, have a great week.